Let us see how to create this part in SolidWorks. So first create this cylinder of inner diameter 22 and outer diameter 36 and length is 25. Select the top plane. This is 22 and create one more circle of diameter 36. And the length is 25. Extrude 25, enter. Select the front plane, sketch. Now we have to create this base plate. This is 56, 15. Fifty-six length, 15 height, and width is 100, height is 63. This is 63. This is 5 mm. This is 12 mm and 5 mm. Trim the entities and then extrude to a length of 75 along mid plane. Extrude plane 75. Select the front plane, sketch. So we have to create this joint. So is 36. Make this vertical, this line and this plane collinear, this point and this edge here. So this point and this point 36. this point and this point horizontal, this point and line here, this point and this line coincide, this one horizontal, 15. So now extrude or width is 12. Next we have to create these two holes, that is 28 length and diagonal. 28, 45, 22.5 from the center. So it's 28 and diameter of 12. So extrude cut. So mirror the hole. Select mirror option, select the plane, that is front plane, and feature to mirror. Mm. So this is how we have created this part in SolidWorks. So for more videos, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.